How to use Zelle with Wells Fargo application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can use Zelle with Wells Fargo application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Wells Fargo. Make sure that you're signed in into your account. So once you land on this page, navigate to this menu bar at the bottom of the interface. From there, tap on Pay in Transfer. Then under Pay in Transfer, you will find an option as Send Money with a blue icon that says Zelle. So tap on Zelle. Again, under Zelle, you have to tap on this option or the button as Send. So tap on Send. So once you do that, you will land on this kind of interface where you will find a recipient where you have made the last transaction with. If you want to transfer to that account, select if not, or if you want to add a new account, tap on Add at the top. Now you'll be taken into this interface that says Add Recipient. Here you have to provide their recipient information, that may be their mobile number or email. Under that, add their first name and their last name. Then tap on Continue. And on the next page, you'll be asked to enter the amount. So enter the amount that you will want to transfer, then tap on Confirm. After that, once you're done adding the amount, review your transaction, and once you're done with that, tap on Confirm, and with that the money will be sent, and also you will get a confirmation message on your screen. That's it. That's how you can use Zelle with Wells Fargo application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.